Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can read by the title down below what this video gonna be about, so this is our lobster. This is all the ingredients that we will need. Starting with my chicken breast steak. This is what it's called. I'm just basically gonna be slicing them vertically. So you can slice yours however you want, but I'm slicing mine vertically, as you can see. And this will be going into our rice. Now we're gonna be frying our chicken steak for about a few couple of minutes because they are very flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in some olive oil, or add whatever oil that you're comfortable that you cook with into a skillet. I have my stove on medium high, so right now, as you see, I'm adding my chicken steak. What I season it with some cayenne pepper, some Creole seasoning, paprika. But you can go ahead with your chicken steak or whatever meat you want to cook with and go ahead and season it as how you want. That's the reason why I didn't show what seasoning I put, but I barely really really seasoning, but those was the only seasoning that I used. We're going to be basically frying these for a good probably 15 minutes the max. But as you can see, you just basically gonna be cooking your meat or your chicken breast steak till it get that, I say that white, breast chicken, how it's supposed to look. I'm not too sure what to call it, but until you don't see that raw pink look no more. So I've been frying these for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I would say if you have to cook it for more, go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to take it out the skillet and put it to the side. And a clean skillet with some olive oil. Now we're going to go ahead and fry our shrimp. So everyone knows that shrimp doesn't take too long to cook. So basically you just going to be cooking this shrimp until you don't see the rawness no more. And the shrimp is nothing but all pink. My shrimp is all done. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and put these shrimp on the side for our rice. Now for our main dish, the salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I seasoned the salmon with. So of course with kosher salt, now in this clip, I'm basically adding some oil, and I'm also going to be adding butter. With the salmon, I forgot to show and record to show you guys that basically I rubbed in all those seasoning into the salmon. Sorry, into the salmon, just so that flavor and everything could seep in. making sure that your skillet or whatever you're cooking your salmon in is basically hot. I have this on high heat, not very high, but high enough, so it could cook the salmon evenly and thoroughly. Now I forgot how long, but I know I didn't cook the salmon on this side for too long. I want to say I cooked the salmon on this side for about 25 to like probably 35 minutes, to making sure that it get in that gold brown color and just making sure that it is cooked through. Now this is what I do. I went ahead and seasoned the front, or where the skin of the salmon is. I use the same season that you have to use that for the inside of this salmon and stuff. Sorry, I have a little cold, but that's what I season the skin with. I like to season it while it's on the skillet or whatever I'm cooking the salmon on. In. So yeah. I went ahead and added some minced garlic. As you can see, this is optional. If you want to, you can. If you don't have to. I will also be adding some lemon juice. Just to let you guys know, now I never flip the salmon onto the skin part. The skin part, we usually take it off, but this time I just kept it on, and basically we just peel the skin off while we're just eating salmon. Using whatever pot that you use to cook your rice, I'm going ahead and dumping in our jambalaya rice in. The water was already, boiling. This is where I wanted just to show you guys, so you guys wouldn't be waiting and just watching just a plain old water waiting for it to be boiled. So at this time, you could go ahead and add in your packet of jambalaya rice. You can use as many pack as you want. Sorry, I believe I had used I used 3 packs, and I believe I added a little bit of my regular rice that I use. So there it go, me adding the regular rice that I usually use. If you have a big size family and you cooking for a serving amount of people, go ahead and add in how much rice you want. So once the water of my rice get a little bit thickened, that's when I'll go ahead and add in our chicken steak breast. So once your rice doesn't look too mushy and looks kind of dry like this, you can go ahead and add in your shrimp. Ta-da! So this is the meal that we basically did for tonight. This is our dinner. This could be dinner or lunch, but I'd rather count it as dinner. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new, welcome. Click that red subscribe button and join the family, guys. Don't forget to put your post notification bell so you don't miss a beat whenever I drop a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video.